Mamelodi Sundowns have officially parted ways with midfielder Neo Maema, marking the latest move in what appears to be a major squad clear out of the Claw Cup. The 29-year-old's departure was confirmed on Friday morning, just a day after the club announced the exit of Thembinkosi Lorch. Lorch, who joined the Brazilians in early 2024, is set for a return to Moroccan giants Wydad Athletic Club on a one-year deal with an option to extend. The club bid farewell to the winger on social media, posting, "After 2 unforgettable years, one league title, 26 appearances, 7 goals and 4 assists, the Yellow Nation thanks and celebrates Thembinkosi Lorch, wishing you all the best as you start the next chapter of your journey." Maema, meanwhile, is expected to join Tanzanian heavyweight Simba SC, where he will reunite with former Sundowns teammates Roshan De Rook under South African coach Patlu Davids. Since arriving at Sundowns in 2021, Maema has made 120 appearances, netted 14 goals and provided 13 assists. His trophy haul includes 4 league titles, the Nedbank Cup, the MTN 8, and the African Football League. He is currently captaining Bafana Bafana at the ongoing Chen tournament. The shake-up at Sundowns also see Argentinian midfielder Matias Escoval leave on loan to Greek side FC Kifissia for the season. Escoval, who joined the club 2 seasons ago, struggled for a game time and spent part of last season on a loan at CA Taylors in his homeland. Head coach Miguel Cardoso was candid about the player's struggles, saying Matias suffered greatly during his time here. He enjoyed a lot at the club. Despite his quality, it was not the right environment for him. His family was also unhappy. His wife didn't want to come back, and his kids would rather not return. With Cardoso determined to trim his squad to a manageable number, more departures are expected in the coming days as Sundowns look to reshape their roster ahead of the new season. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more sports news.